Hello friends, good evening. Friends, you must be wondering why I have hold these two pens in my hands. And also, as you know, these both pens are used for writing purpose. But as the ink is finished in this one, we just throw it in a dustbin. While when the ink is finished in this one, we just replace its refill and start using it again, because we know that it can be reusable. So same thing happens with us, my friend. People will not judge you according to your face, your size and your look, but they really judge you according to your ability. If you create enough ability and be a better version of yourself, people will learn from you. They start following you and they will be eager to learn from you, and they love you so much. Like this pen is used again and again. But if you don't create enough ability in yourself, people will not ask you and you will be thrown in a dustbin like this pen. As Albert Einstein has said, once you stop learning, you start dying. One of my coach, whose name is Sandeep sir, he has said, true success in our life is when you get expansion. When you expand in your life, you would be considered as a successful person. So I hope you would start taking action and you would be a better version of yourself. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye. Jai Hind.